Hello all, Jamie Rodgers here for Creative Expressions, and I'm super excited to introduce you to our brand new canvas collection that I've designed. So these are designed to give you the ability to make canvases, to make frames. We actually have dies included with them, so you can cut these as apertures as well. You can make them into mini shaker cards. So many options, 7 different shapes that you can be working with, and we have a couple of videos coming to show you different ways that you can use them. But on today's video, I thought we'd have a little look at taking the hexagon design and turning it into this little card here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in my die cutting machine. So we're going to be using the Vasson Creative Cut 'em Easy, and we're going to use our die. We're going to pop this on top of a picture. Now I've actually printed these off at home on just ordinary card or thin card on my PC, and we're going to bring our die in and pop that on here, just securing it in place with a little bit of tape. Now I really like the idea of these canvases that you could be printing off your home pictures, your family pictures, and using different imagery that you might find sometimes a bit of a struggle topic-wise for making your cards with. Or it might be that you've been to a wedding and it's the year anniversary and you want to send that couple a lovely card with their wedding photos on them maybe. So lots and lots of different ways you can bring in your own photography into your card making. So once it's cut for you, all you're going to do is just fold back against the score lines. So there are 2 different score lines for the 2 different panels. One's going to be our back fold, one's going to be our side fold, and then we have our little triangle on the side here to use as our tab to glue them together. So we're going to skip ahead a bit. I'm going to take some Cosmic Shimmer glue, and we're just going to add a small blob of glue onto our little tab here. We're going to glue that into the wall area. So that's going to be our side for our canvas. Then when we turn this over, so I'd work all the way around, do all of them little tabs, then I'm going to lift this one up just slightly, add in a small dab of glue, and then bring down that top piece. And when we do that and work all the way around the shape, it's going to make a more rigid and stable shape for us. So if we're thinking that we're going to be posting these, it's going to give them that bit more body to them. One of the bits I also really liked with these, your imagery can wrap all the way around, so you've got that really nice continual side to it. And unlike using panels with foam pads and bits, you're not going to see them through the sides because of the walls are going to be matching in with your card. So they're going to give your card making a much more quality feel to them. So we'll pop that over to one side and we're going to bring in the card that we're going to be working on. So for my one, I've just gone for an 8x8 card. I've stamped in the background with one of our lovely old letter woodware stamps. And we're going to bring in our images. So for these, I've just taken some foam tape and popped it on the reverse here. And I like to take 3mm foam tape, stick 3 levels together, and I find that is the perfect height for working underneath my canvases. So we're going to start here, we're going to pop our first one on down there. Now don't push them down too hard at this moment because it might be nice to be able to move them about if you find you've got a gap in building your shape. So just a bit of a dry run to begin with. We're just going to carry on working all the way around. I just think it's so fun that you're going to be able to bring in all of them sort of creative holidays or weddings you've been to, Christmas cards using images from the year before, loads of different things like that you're going to be able to work these with. And of course, if you don't want to do that, you could of course be adding pixie powders to the top of them. You could pop them through embossing folders after you've cut them. You could do so many different techniques actually on the canvases. We're then going to take one of the shapes. Now this is the shape obviously that's cut out from the die that comes included in the middle there. So we're going to pop that down in the centre, and then I have a little one that I've already stamped best wishes onto, and we're going to pop that in the centre of this one just for a different variation. And it is that quick and simple for you to be able to create lovely cards using the pictures you've probably already got at home on your PC and these lovely canvas collection dies. Thank you for watching. See you soon.